Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the 2025 BYD Seal. This electric sedan from the Chinese automaker BYD has been generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. With sleek looks, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the BYD Seal 2025 is aiming to shake up the EV segment in a big way. So, let's dive right into the review and break down everything you need to know about this car in detail. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The BYD Seal 2025 has a futuristic and sporty design that clearly draws inspiration from high-end electric sedans like the Tesla Model 3. The front end features sharp LED headlights that sweep back into the fenders, giving the car an aggressive, focused expression. The low, sloping bonnet and smooth, aerodynamic lines across the body not only look great but help improve efficiency on the road. The frameless doors and flush door handles add to the premium appeal, and the overall silhouette is very coupe-like, giving it a dynamic stance even when standing still. The rear end is equally stylish, with a continuous LED light bar and a sculpted bumper that reinforces the car's sporty vibe. Moving on to performance, this is where the BYD Seal really starts to shine. Depending on the variant you choose, the Seal comes with either a single or dual motor setup. The single-motor version delivers around 230 to 310 horsepower, which is plenty for daily driving and occasional highway fun. But if you're looking for serious performance, the dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushes out up to 530 horsepower, allowing the Seal to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. That puts it right up there with some of the fastest EVs in its class. The car rides on BYD's E-Platform 3.0, which provides a low center of gravity, near-perfect weight distribution, and precise handling. The steering feels responsive, the suspension is well-tuned for both comfort and cornering, and road grip is excellent even during spirited driving. Inside, the BYD Seal 2025 impresses with a cabin that feels both modern and upscale. The materials used throughout are of high quality, including soft-touch plastics, leatherette, and brushed metal accents. The highlight of the interior is the large rotating 15.6-inch touchscreen that supports both portrait and landscape modes. It's packed with features including navigation, media, vehicle settings, and smartphone integration. You also get a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, and the optional head-up display adds an extra layer of driving convenience. Space is generous in both the front and rear seats, with plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. The seats themselves are comfortable and supportive, with ventilation and heating options available on higher trims. BYD has also done a great job with sound insulation, making the cabin quiet and relaxing even at highway speeds. When it comes to pricing, the BYD Seal 2025 is positioned as a value-packed EV that undercuts many of its rivals while offering comparable, and in some cases, better, features. Prices will vary depending on the region and variant, but generally speaking, the base model starts at around $35,000, while the high-performance AWD version goes up to roughly $45,000 to $48,000. That's extremely competitive considering the performance, tech, and quality on offer. In markets like Europe, Australia, and some Asian countries, it's expected to be priced aggressively to compete with established players like Tesla, Hyundai, and Kia. All in all, the BYD Seal 2025 is a strong contender in the EV market. It combines eye-catching design, powerful performance, a tech-rich interior, and competitive pricing. Whether you're new to EVs or looking to upgrade from your current ride, the Seal offers a compelling package that's hard to ignore. Let us know in the comments what you think about the BYD Seal. Would you consider it over a Tesla Model 3 or Hyundai Ioniq 6? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more detailed reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.